Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with eBay at 2026. So at first you'll need to decide what integration you need. Before setting anything up, you will need to decide which of these you want. Sell your Shopify products on eBay, sync inventory between Shopify and eBay, important sync orders from eBay into Shopify, or automate workflows like inventory, prices, and orders. Different tools give different features. Okay, so after that you will need to use the official Shopify Marketplace Connect, and that's the base native option. Okay, so Shopify's Marketplace Connect now supports eBay, letting you list and sync and manage eBay listing from Shopify. So to do that, you will need to go at first to the settings on the left-hand menu, and after that, just go and click on the apps just like so. So right now, we are between two options right here: develop apps or Shopify App Store. So I do want you to click on the Shopify App Store, and after that, just go and look for eBay. So right now, I do want you to install the eBay integration DPL and the eBay integration quick sync and eBay sync and importer Lions app. Also, the eBay importer by Enforcer, okay, or Enforcer. So for example, you will need to go and click on it, then just click on install, and after that you will be sent to a verification or a confirmation page. So just go and click on install, right? And yeah, that way we integrate eBay to our Shopify. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.